So, like last episode, we made a big mistake by doing a naked call. So, our net worth has tanked. And I believe we have some debt. But the good news is we made some money on Mazda Europe. No, we don't have any debt. That's good news. So, if these options work out to break even, or if we lose a bit of money off of it, we might be bankrupt. We might not be. But I'm hoping that my stock portfolio is doing okay. What are lights we made a bit of money off of? It's good news, good news. So I think we have some cash liquid right now. About $1 million in cash. So we're going to have to find a way to come back from this whole naked call scenario where we lost almost all our money. And so I'm going to find an opportunity in order to find that would end up doing it right. Yep, so what we're going to do is we're going to look for another high growth company. We're going to buy it, and we're going to hopefully have a comeback when it comes to our money. That looks pretty good. Yeah, this one looks pretty good, but it's a bit in debt. But I feel like it's got a decent... No, it's not that good. I feel like this is the buy. AAA. It's a good long-term buy, too. 44 cents. They're going to beat this quarter, so I'm actually going to take a bit of margin when it comes to this. We're going to take a bit of a risk. I want to be able to grow my money. That way we can actually be able to pay for the margin, for the option. Because the option is going to cost us $2 million, which sucks. But yeah, we're going to be betting that this stock goes up a ton. We're going to throw that dividend into, like, just basically paying off our debt. We do have margin now, which kind of sucks. But I took out margin so I can cover the loan that we have. This is our big one. I want to be able to pay off that loan. So hopefully the industry is going to do better over time, and then we can make bank off this stock, and then we could be able to pay off the loan. And that's just my main goal, is to be able to cover that margin loan, which expires in about almost a year. So we have a year until this thing recovers. So yeah, I've made a few mistakes when it comes to my investments. Did a naked call. I am a little bit ashamed about that because we lost a lot. I'm a little bit mad about that. Eesh. I think that's the problem. I bought 300 price net worth, but I feel like the industry is going to come back, so they're going to make a lot. Fuck. Okay, there goes a margin call. We're going to sell this one. Okay, what does that do? Still 3 million. Oh, jeez. Our naked call is just still doing awful. My main goal is to make a comeback. So Worldwide Media Group, we want to be able to have a profit on, so then it will do well. So, yeah. I'm just hoping I have a call. Oh my god, another margin call. Are you kidding me? This is the problem we have right now. There goes Florida Lights. We actually might go bankrupt if the call does bad. I feel like we have some liquid cash. No, we don't. We have margin debt. Oh god. Yeah. Should have kept some liquid cash, but I want Worldwide Media Group to do well. So, if we get our margin call, I'm going to have to sell that for a loss, and we're going to be locked in to a loss. We shorted that. Okay, we received 24K. That's good news. Oh, Worldwide Media Group was a pretty bad buy. This ain't fun. I've messed myself up for good by doing that naked call. Yeah, we actually might go bankrupt. Yeah, I made a bunch of bad choices and some good choices. Like, I did a lot of high growth. Fuck me. A naked call screwed us hard. The good news is, oh wait, Sunshine's still at $50 a share. Oh my god. Yeah, I kind of predicted that we were gonna go bankrupt. Kind of saw it coming. We're at least best case scenario we'll make a comeback, but it's highly unlikely right now because we're in 200k minus. It's highly likely that we're gonna go bankrupt, and it's gonna be fun because of this stupid mining company that I decided to short really, really hard, and yep. Let's let time play out and see if we recover or we don't recover. Yep, the call's about to expire. We're going to take out a giant loan, which is going to suck. But good news is, worldwide media is coming back. So let's just hope that it keeps growing. It's probably not. This game is screwing me over right now. I'm losing lots. Auto would have to go up a ton in order to make sense. 41 cents. Still pretty cheap though. 19 times earnings. It's still a cheap company and great, but I feel like it's probably not going to be enough growth to save us, hopefully. Hopefully it grows into a giant amount. We made a decent profit. Yeah, if we can get out of this call, I'm happy. Okay, we made quite a lot of bank off this. It is now 20 times earnings, which is a bit much, but I still feel like it's cheap. Yeah, so I'm going to probably still keep it. So good news is we have $1.5 million in the stock account, and we only have a few $100,000 in this call I've sold a while ago. And we're forced to sell it a while, so I'm okay with that. At least we're forced to sell it for a profit, which is good news. Yeah, we got hit really, really hard with that. I would say we lost over 30 million plus. Basically, we started off at like 32 mil, and I was like, yes, we're unstoppable. And then I'm almost bankrupt, so it's not fun. We still have a slight profit on that. Our annual cash flow is just taking a dive. Now we're actually in the negative because we have margin. But yeah, I'm just hoping that this does well. Uh-oh. I should have sold at 19. Jeez, Reed. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I need this sucker to do well in order to basically eliminate my bankruptcy. Oh, there we go. Having a slight comeback. Do we still have our option? No. Okay, that's good news. So, my account. 900k in cash. Okay, and we have 600k in that. We have a loss, so I'm going to hope that this stock makes a comeback. The good news is we got rid of that option. The option expired, but the bad news is we lost a lot of money on it, so you're going to think, oh, okay, so this year they're not going to do as well. That sucks. Might have cost us, but I feel like to a certain extent, this company is going to do pretty well. 18 cents versus 21, not very good. This company, I actually might go bankrupt just because of this stock pick right here. Should have sold for a profit. But yeah, we're going to keep it. I don't want to sell it for a loss, but I don't know. I might declare bankruptcy or I might not. Oh god, we're negative. Yeah, I'm just made a bad... My investment choices have been really, really bad recently. So like now we're negative. Unless the stock goes to 15 bucks, I think we're... Okay, fun times, fun times. I've gone bankrupt. Fun times. Way to go. So, that was a bit of a fun series. I would say that we went bankrupt. So, we have bankrupt and now the game, but we were player 2, and then we had a bunch of other people. But we were like worth like over. Yeah, we were worth more than 200K. We were worth like 20 million. Like the only person that was close was player 6, and they had a close net worth. But the problem about it is we went bankrupt, so therefore we lost the game. Here's a bunch of net worth statements. You guys can pause and see what they did. They did a bunch of great ideas, and I did some great ideas. But yeah, we basically lost. They even have Jim Cramer. That's pretty cool. But yeah, we lost almost all our money. So there goes our series, sadly. We lost everything. And that's the end of this episode and series, I guess. And I'll make a comeback, and I'll make new episodes, and I'll make sure not to sell naked calls, and basically try to avoid less risk, and maybe grow my money a lot quicker than doing buy and hold strategy. So the biggest mistake I made during this series was taking on unnecessary risk, and when I did that, I basically took on unnecessary risk when it came to my investments. And then, so we had to pay the price for it, and we went bankrupt, sadly. But my main goal is going to be to learn from this mistake and basically come back. Anyways, I'll see you guys later, and have a great one.